Let's explore Procreate color settings in today's video. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really exciting video for you. In today's series we will explore color settings in Procreate. You will learn how to perform with color palettes, adjust color settings and how to import a custom color palette that I have created for this video. And lastly I will show you how easily you can fill up shapes with color in the Procreate app. If you end up liking this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know how you like the tutorial. I don't really have anything much to say, so let's go ahead and head over to my iPad and get started as usual. I always everything that I use linked down below. This is the iPad Pro 2020 in the 12.9 inch size, and then I have a second gen Apple Pencil. The coloring tool is located in the top right corner and you can see your current color in the circle. When you click on it, it opens up always with the currently used or imported color palette here. If you want this panel to be always visible, you can move in, place it anywhere on the screen, anywhere you feel comfortable. Click the cross icon to close it for now. Let's take a look at the color options. The first one has two settings. To pick the main color, first then you select the color hue. Then you choose a color inside the inner circle which is based on the hue you select. Move it around and choose lighter or darker. You can see that chosen color is applied to your brush. I usually use the classic mode which is next to disk. It works the same way as the disk but has more clarity. You pick the hue first and then from right to left you adjust the color dark to light and from bottom to top the color brightness. You see that the current color is applied to the brush. Below is the history section which displays currently used colors in order to quickly use them again. Under history you see a color palette that can be set at this tab. Tap on it. Here you see a list of palettes. I have a lot of them. Palette is a simple combination of colors. To create one, simply tap plus icon to create a new color palette. In the top right corner you see our current color, and if you click inside the palette area, the current color will be added to it. You want to add the blue color that we used before. Using your finger, tap and hold on it. You see the wheel appear. The bottom part has the current color and the top part shows the aim color which we want to apply. After you release your finger, you see that this blue color appears as our current color. Now open the palette and tap anywhere in the area to add the blue color. If we accidentally edit the color that you don't want to add, you can tap and hold on it and delete it. Also we can reassign the color in the palette. Now let's pick a background color. Tap and hold on the existing color and you will see a set current color button. Click on it and you see that the blue color got replaced with white. I will get the blue color back to the palette. When you are done with editing the palette, you can see the default button. This button defines which palette will be on the other tabs of the current color panel. So if you click set default button on the palette and go to the classic tab, in the bottom we see our color palette. We can also give it a specific name. Just click on the title and type a new name. We can move a palette by dragging and placing it wherever you want. If we swipe left on the palette, we see two actions, share and delete. Let's delete this palette. Now it's gone. I created a special color palette for this series which you can download from my website under the freebies. Link mentioned below in the video description. To install it, go to files and locate the file, tap on it, it will get imported now. Go to the palette, scroll down to the bottom and you will see a new palette called the solar system. Click on the set default button. Now it appears here. That's the palette we are gonna use it in the next video series. Tap on any color to select them. Let's clear the screen now. You can color your artwork using a simple brush or you can select the texture one. I will use the pen brush right now. If you want to fill a big area with color, you can draw a shape with a closed loop. And if you click and drag the current color inside of the shape, when you release the pencil, the shape will get filled with this color. It's important to have the contour closed. Otherwise, if you draw a shape with an open contour, when you try dropping a color on it, the color will fill the outer area of the shape as well. And go back, close it and try again to fill the color with closed contour. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It truly means the world to me. And I love engaging with you all in the comments down below. And do your project mentioned below in the description and share what you create after watching my tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer any in the comments down below again. And I will see you in my next video.
I reach through mysterious ceilings. My whole